Warsaw is an amazing place, you know. I have been here for like almost 3 years, and every time I feel it is the country where I can relax and spend good time. Walking and breathing the fresh air, I feel like really this country is very peaceful and you can really enjoy your time. Recently, I had a wonderful trip in Western Poland. The city name is Wrocław. Suddenly, I remember about the place. The place was just amazing. So many beautiful things and architectures, and the old town is very unique compared to Warsaw. You must be thinking that how really the place looks like. Let me show you the city how it looks like. But you should trust me that the place is amazing. Right now I am on the way to Wrocław. The journey from Warsaw to Wrocław was interesting as the view outside the train was incredible. So I did not close my eye throughout the whole journey. Any short trip without a pleasant stay is always incomplete. So I chose a comfortable place having a good interior. The history of Wrocław is firmly tied to the water that gives it life, the mighty Oder River and its many tributaries. As over 100 bridges are spanning the waterways throughout the city, Wrocław earned the name Venice of the North. The best part during the trip is the boat tour. Now let me give you the flavor of the tour. Many incredibly beautiful architectures and river views one could actually enjoy here. After seeing the diversity, seems like even 1 hour is less for such trip, as there are a lot to explore and every corner of the city has some strongly tied historical aspects. Good place out there is looking very refreshing around. You can see the greeneries are. We have tried some cocktail, and after that we tried some fried shrimp with cocktail, and the experience was good.
There must be some way out of here. Oh, 'cause I'm feeling so great, and I know I can escape. I can't keep calling you my dear. Oh, 'cause I'm feeling so great. Never got the time of day.
Now let me take you through the beautiful market square of Wrocław. This amazing glass and granite fountain was built in 1996, and the name is inspired by the surname of Wrocław president Bogdan Drawewski. The RYNEK of Wrocław belongs to the biggest marketplace in Poland. RYNEK is also a place of Christmas fairs, New Year's Eve celebrations, religious, academic, and military events. If you want to see the view of the whole city, the best place is the St. Elizabeth's Church. This is among the oldest churches in Wrocław and the highest building in the old town. This church has stood on this site since the 12th century. The tower has almost 300 steps in all. The view from the top is more than worth the strenuous journey. Apart from all this architectural beauty, let me show you one of the street show during my trip. I hope you gonna enjoy it. So today is the second day actually in Wrocław. It is actually called as Wrocław. The other side of OSTRÓW TUMSKI just looks amazing. Alongside, the sound of church make you feel this place like heaven. OSTRÓW TUMSKI is the gem at the center of Wrocław crown. This, after all, is where the city began, making it one of the most historically significant parts of town, in addition to being archaically attractive. The district's history has always been closely tied to Catholicism, and now you will find an incredible concentration of religious buildings across the river, making it a peaceful place to relax and explore. For many years, the bridge has been a popular meeting spot for couples in love. It is a tradition for them to put padlocks on the bridge and throw the keys into the Oder as a sign of their love. In 2017, the artist named Oskar Zienta created the structure using the so-called Fidu method, a process he invented himself where the 35 ribs were made from thin steel sheets and inflated with compressed air to form slightly imperfect and highly durable shapes. However, this is officially the city's biggest sculpture and arguably the most visually striking one. If you are a nature and architecture lover, also if you are interested in exploring the history of Poland, this city would be the perfect choice to plan for a short trip. And other things, when you see the view, I hope you are going to enjoy the view of the city, the vibe of the city, and the natural beauty around the city. And the main attraction of this place is the river. Evening we are going back to Warsaw. I am going to miss this city. The city has a very different vibe. Really going to miss this place, and hope I'll come back here in the city and explore more and relax more. Okay then.